Let's calculate the Reynolds number for water flowing in a small tube. Water at 60 degrees Fahrenheit flows at 8 feet per second through a 1-inch inner diameter tube. The Reynolds number is most nearly. Let's draw a simple side view of our pipe. We'll mark the inner diameter d equals 1 inch. Then we'll show water flowing at velocity v equals 8 feet per second. Here are the known values. Mu equals 7.5 times 10 to the minus 4 pound mass per foot second. Rho equals 62.3 pound mass per cubic foot. Velocity equals 8 feet per second. Diameter equals 1 inch. Recall the Reynolds number formula. Reynolds number equals rho times v times d divided by mu. First, we convert the diameter from inches to feet. D equals 1/12 of a foot, which is 0.0833 feet. Now plug in all the numbers into the Reynolds formula. Compute the numerator first. 62.3 times 8 times 0.0833 equals 41.5. Now divide by mu. 41.5 divided by 7.5 times 10 to the minus 4 equals 55.4 thousand. Rounding to the nearest thousand gives about 55,000. Since this is greater than 4,000, the flow is turbulent. Therefore, the best answer is choice B, 55,000. Reference: NCEES Handbook Section 3.4.1 on Reynolds number and Section 5 on internal flow heat transfer.